What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We out here sliding. We about to pull up on Antonio. About to go ahead and get the rest of these pieces. We get these pieces, we about to be sliding, get the bike going, so stay tuned. If y'all want to enter the giveaway, please enter that. We almost at the last of the last spot, so get in while you can, man. But stay tuned for this wet paint, y'all. We about to get it in. Yo, what's going on, man? How you doing? Woo. Yeah, this look good. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna show you the pictures of the bike. It came out dope as shit. Like, the color is perfect. Hell yeah. It look hella good. It's crazy. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. We got the paint in the back, man. We got the inner outer fairing, and we have the gas tank console right here. This one is kind of different than the stock one that comes on there, but it look good. So we about to go ahead and rock with that, man. So stay tuned. We about to put these pieces on and get it going, man. We sliding. So we back in the shop. We just pulled up. We got the pieces over there on the floor. We got the bike right here. Got my boy bike. That bike, this road glide about to be out of here. As soon as I get this last piece for this back rim, we're gonna be in the game. If anybody on here on YouTube got one in near LA, anywhere out here, LA, OC, IE, wherever. If you got one of them 66 tooth rear belt drives that bolt to the hub, please email me at builtbydre@yahoo.com or comment on here. I'll type it to you, whatever. But if anybody got a hold of that piece, man, please let me know. But on another note, would you guys just admire this beauty right here, man? This thing is looking crazy. I still can't believe how this bike is turning out. And today we got the main important piece, where the gauges go. So let's get to it. And we also got our gas tank console. We're about to rip these joints open and get to installing this stuff. So stay tuned, we're about to get on it. So as y'all can see, we got the gas console on here now. This thing flows so nice and clean and perfect. This thing is wet. And it's crazy, this thing had like a little crack right here. And oh my God, Antonio did his job, dude. It's crazy. You can't even tell nothing. This thing looked perfect. That's why I didn't even want to try to go along with the stock one, because I'm like, I never dealt with this one, but I like the way it came out. It definitely looked good. Got a different look than what I'm used to. But let's get this inner fairing on and the outer. I'm gonna start with the inner so we can put the gauges on, then go from there. Stay tuned for that. Powder coat shop is closed on the weekend, so I can't get that black piece for the transmission, and I can't get the back rim out. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have that coming along with the tire for the front 21 we putting on here. So we're gonna have this thing on its way, man. It's coming. Let's keep going though. Man, dude, this shit looks crazy. Oh my God. This thing is killing. That look good. That look real good. Texas, I'm jealous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really jealous right now. You about to be out here styling and profiling, dude. I gotta go I just see, that's where I get my fulfillment. As long as I get to finish the bike, get the first ride in, make sure everything good, and go get that good wash and wax by Dre's Mobile Detailing, we in the game. It's a win-win. And the winner is on, because you get to keep it. But we sliding. Y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is so wet. It's crazy. Oh my God. we got that interference coming together. That color is looking good with the gauges. We went ahead and got a few things on here. I put the paper over the fender. I don't want it to get scratched up, so we can keep that nice and wet, so we can finish assembling everything on here. I'm so happy with how this bike is coming out. Y'all do not understand, because this bike been in here for a minute, but it's amazing to see it come together looking like something, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. I'm gonna go ahead and finish assembling this interference. I'm gonna go finish running through all this stuff, because I had this bike. This bike was in pieces even when I got it. Everything was tore apart all on the floor, so I'm gonna go ahead and find this other bracket. I think it was broke, but I done ran across a few street glides, so I know I have an extra one somewhere. So I'm about to go ahead and get to that so we can finish assembling this. But y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is definitely looking good, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. I'm gonna pop this piece off too. I'm gonna wait till I'm done though. I just wanna, that shit is bothering me so much. Y'all don't even understand right now. But that, and then these ugly buttons. I'm gonna change all this out, but I gotta just finish it, because I know this comes out from the ignition. I don't want to even mess with the ignition. I've done it before and fucked it up, so I want to just wait till it's completely done, pop that out, take it to go get hit real fast, and call it a day. And not when it's completely done, when it's almost at its peak. But I don't want to hold something else up. But like I said, we're about to finish knocking this out, man, so stay tuned. We're gonna finish wrapping this close. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Y'all don't understand, man. I cannot wait until this thing is completely done with that candy paint on there looking good. This is amazing, y'all. Can't wait, man. Coming out. Got baby blue, candy blue. We got the red. Gonna have it on there like that. Hold on, let me get the light. Let me get the motherfucking light. So yeah, just imagine when that thing is on there like that. Nice and good. Can't wait. Color going crazy. But yeah, man, stay tuned. We're about to finish it up. So we went and got the interference almost complete. Got just a little few adapters, how to just wire up. Not even wire up. I'm gonna get my zip ties and clean it up, make it look much better. But we got all the gauges in there. We got the radio up in there with the interference harness. The only thing we don't have is the bezel for the windshield. But we got the whole thing going, man. I gotta make sure I got the headlight for this joint, but y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is definitely looking good. Definitely looking good. As a matter of fact, I got a brand new, hold on. I definitely should have a brand new complete headlight that I had a company ship to me. I believe this is it, because I haven't, yes sir, we in the game. We got the brand new headlight. Shout out to this company right here, man. I'm gonna put all the info in the description below. They wanted me to promote them, so they sent me this nice headlight that we are definitely about to throw on the Texas Street Glide. And this one also had the rings on both. So that's about to be dope, y'all. That's crazy. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. That shit looks good. Yes, sir. Let's get back to it, though, man. just like that, guys, y'all see what's going on. This thing is looking magnificent. Let me take this off. Yes, sir. This thing is looking so much better. It's crazy. Finally looking complete. That thing is good. But yeah, man, we got this thing coming along. We got the interference on there. Like I said, we're gonna take this off as soon as I get it at least cut on, just so I don't gotta play with the ignition. As long as we get that, we'll be in the game. But besides that, we got this thing coming, y'all. We already finished the bags yesterday. They fully bolted up. Everything is good. We got the gas tank with this nice console looking nice and clean. This is crazy. But yeah, man, this is coming together. Once I get it, I just want to really make sure this thing is running good and it's good. As long as that's good, I'm gonna just readjust the bars. Then I'm gonna just go over everything, but this thing is definitely coming together. Cannot wait to get that first wash and get this thing in the sunlight, because I'm telling y'all, it's so bright that you already know the shop got no power. No, nothing. We got the portable light making it happen. But one day, we're going to have the shop. It's all good. That's what we're working for. We're going to have exactly what we want in due time. Got to keep working, and it's going to come just like that. So now we're about to go ahead. We're going to try to throw the light on there with the whole bracket assembly. So we're about to try to get that going, and then I gotta take another piece to Antonio. It's a chrome piece right here. I gotta take this to him. Oh, damn, I got two of them. I just seen a chrome one somewhere over there. But yeah, we're gonna take this black one and drop this off. That piece goes right under there. It covers up the lower bottom. I just wanted to match the paint. So we're gonna have that coming along. Stay tuned for that. Go ahead and check my other spot and see if I got the bezel to put the headlight, because we got the whole brand new headlight set I got shipped in, but I still need the bezel to bolt it up to. So we're going to be waiting on that. So over the weekend, we're going to have that coming. We're going to have that. We got the rim and the powder coat tire coming in the mail. We got the hand levers. Yeah, this one is demolished. Got the hand lever on its way. So we got this thing coming, man. I'm telling y'all, and the rear light bar. I want to set that up too, but this color is crazy. It does no justice in this dark shop, man. I promise y'all, cannot wait till we get some light in here, because this does it, but not good enough. Y'all really just peep in here, see what's going on. Don't trip, I told y'all we gonna swap out that black piece. I don't like how that's looking right now. That's looking crazy. Look at that gas tank though, man, seriously. Man. I can't wait to see the outcome of this joint. Just to see it on the road, sliding. They had a paint and everything just looking as good as it do. Don't even trip off the motor. We're going to have that with that pig spit. It's going to shine the whole motor up. All that ashy black is going to be shiny black. This thing is going to be shining in no time, man. I'm telling y'all. Stay tuned. This thing is coming on its way. That piece that I'm taking to get painted is a piece that cover all that up. So we're going to have that coming. But y'all definitely see what's going on, man. This thing is looking amazing. If y'all want to be like this guy, you can go ahead and go in the description below, grab you a SLIDN beanie and be on your way. You'll be featured into the next giveaway, picking the winner. As soon as it is filled up, I'm going to go live on YouTube and pick the winner. So get in while you can, man, so you can have your chance. This can be you, for real. Y'all don't understand how I really feel about this bike. Cause like I'm telling y'all, this stuff is all new to me. I've literally, me and my boy barely been in a bike game for like less than like a year and a half. Like seriously, no cap. And it's crazy how far this stuff then elevated and came. So it's like from my first bike, me doing my first build compared to like how I'm doing these other bikes is crazy, because I never expected none of this. I never thought my builds would be going all the way to Texas. So it's like this all is crazy, and I'm loving how it's coming out, man, because I honestly forgot I powder coated this frame having all this going on, but as soon as the paint got on, I'm like, damn, I really had a dope vision from the jump. So it's just crazy to see it all flow together just how I wanted it to, man. It's really coming together in no time. Because it's like, yeah, I could just send it out, but it gotta have that touch, man. I'm telling y'all. It's not fully there, but I just know how this outcome is gonna be. Painted the piece, get the new levers on there, powder coated hand covers, had the lights on there with the seat, with the exhaust, with the floorboards and the rim. Most certainly that 21 is gonna look good along with that fresh black headlight. As y'all know, the 21 is already powder coated black. Already went ahead and had the parts for this bike months ago. So this is the front 21 Enforcer we're gonna have on there. We just waiting on the rotors, and then I'm gonna take these 2 spacers to get these powder coated. As soon as I get that tire, we will be on our way, man. We got the back rim and the powder coat, so we coming. Texas, you are up next, my boy. Hear me out, man. You about to be sliding. And I'm telling you, I'm jealous, man. I wish it was me, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, but as long as it got that Built by Dre touch on there, that's all we need, man. You're gonna put our name on the map in Texas and have us lit, man. That's what it's about, growing and stretching and elevating. So we about to keep growing, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. We about to slide and get it in, man. Y'all see what's going on.